You don't need followers to make money online anymore. In fact, some of the fastest growing AI side hustles work even if nobody knows you exist. No audience, no subscribers, no social media following. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners are building AI-powered side hustles from scratch using simple tools like ChatGPT. Most people believe you need an audience before you can make money online. You've probably heard this advice before. Traditional advice tells you to grow your followers first. But AI has completely flipped that model. Instead of building an audience, you start by solving problems for people who already have money to spend. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Etsy, and Gumroad already have millions of buyers searching for services. Your job is not to attract attention. Your job is simply to solve a problem faster and more efficiently than the competition. So what kinds of services can you actually offer? Here are a few AI-powered side hustles beginners are launching right now. These services include AI blog writing, YouTube script writing, social media captions, product descriptions, and more. None of these require advanced skills. They are simply tasks businesses pay for every single day. The difference now is that AI tools can help you complete these tasks in minutes instead of hours. This is where things become powerful. Instead of doing all the work yourself, AI becomes your production engine. Let's use YouTube script writing as an example. What used to take a writer 2 hours can now take 15 minutes, and businesses are happy to pay for the result. That is your advantage. Your simple workflow might look like this. First, open ChatGPT and generate a structured script outline. Next, refine the tone to sound natural. Finally, deliver the finished script to the client. Now let's talk about where your first customers come from. This is the key reason you don't need an audience. You are not trying to attract people. You are simply placing your service where customers already exist. Best platforms include Fiverr, Upwork, Etsy, and Gumroad. Your offer should be extremely simple. Clear offers make it easy for buyers to understand exactly what they are purchasing and easy for you to deliver quickly. Here is where things get interesting. Once your first order arrives, you now have proof that people are willing to pay for your service. From there, you begin improving your workflow. You have proof of concept, and now it's time to optimize for speed and efficiency. Maybe you create reusable prompt templates, automate parts of your process, or build simple systems that allow you to complete projects faster. Something that took an hour might eventually take 10 minutes. The biggest advantage of AI side hustles is speed. You can test ideas quickly, launch services quickly, and improve your systems quickly. You learn what people are willing to pay for without spending months building an audience. You don't need followers anymore. You just need a simple service, an AI workflow, and a marketplace where buyers already exist. Start small, test quickly, and improve your systems as you go, because the best AI side hustle is the one you actually start.